Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Nokia Smart TV step by step. Before we begin, make sure your Nokia Smart TV is powered on. Grab your remote and point it directly at your Nokia Smart TV for best response. On your Nokia Smart TV home screen, press the settings button on the remote. When the menu appears on your Nokia Smart TV, scroll down to Device Preferences. Select Device Preferences to open advanced options on your Nokia Smart TV. Now look for the Reset option inside your Nokia Smart TV settings. Select Reset to start the factory reset process on your Nokia Smart TV. Your Nokia Smart TV will now show a confirmation message on the screen. Choose Factory Data Reset to wipe everything on your Nokia Smart TV. Your Nokia Smart TV may ask for one more confirmation before continuing. Select Erase Everything to finalize the process on your Nokia Smart TV. Your Nokia Smart TV will now begin shutting down. You'll see the Nokia logo appear as the Nokia Smart TV starts resetting. Allow your Nokia Smart TV to complete the process without interruption. Do not unplug your Nokia Smart TV during this stage. Wait patiently as your Nokia Smart TV restores the original software. The Nokia Smart TV may restart multiple times. This is normal. Once done, your Nokia Smart TV will return to the setup screen. Pick your preferred language to continue setting up your Nokia Smart TV. Connect your Nokia Smart TV to Wi-Fi again to restore online features. Sign into your Google account on the Nokia Smart TV if required. Reinstall your apps on the Nokia Smart TV one by one. If your Nokia Smart TV remote feels unresponsive, replace the batteries. Check that the Nokia Smart TV remote is synced correctly. Make sure the IR sensor on your Nokia Smart TV is not blocked. If your Nokia Smart TV is still slow, restart it once more. Hold the power button on the Nokia Smart TV remote for 5 seconds. This will force restart the Nokia Smart TV for better performance. After the restart, check if the Nokia Smart TV menu feels smoother. If your Nokia Smart TV still freezes, unplug it from the wall. Keep the Nokia Smart TV disconnected for at least 30 seconds. Plug the Nokia Smart TV back in and power it on again. This power cycle refreshes internal components of the Nokia Smart TV. Now return to the settings on your Nokia Smart TV to verify everything. Open storage settings on the Nokia Smart TV to clear leftover cache. Remove unused apps on your Nokia Smart TV for better speed. Update the software of your Nokia Smart TV if an update is available. Software updates improve performance on your Nokia Smart TV. After updating, restart your Nokia Smart TV one more time. Check if the apps on your Nokia Smart TV are now working smoothly. Confirm that all picture settings on your Nokia Smart TV are correct. Adjust brightness and color on your Nokia Smart TV if needed. Test the sound output on your Nokia Smart TV after the reset. Ensure HDMI ports on your Nokia Smart TV are firmly connected. Clean dust around the ports of your Nokia Smart TV for stable contact. Reconnect your devices to the Nokia Smart TV to confirm everything works. Your Nokia Smart TV should now feel fresh and responsive. The factory reset is complete on your Nokia Smart TV. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Like and subscribe for more Nokia Smart TV fixes.